Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to send payment requests from the GoodX web app. Payment requests are a simple way to remind patients and debtors that they have outstanding payments due for services rendered at the practice. GoodX makes this process seamless by using secure payment links sent via SMS or email. This allows patients to settle their accounts instantly through a safe online platform. Using payment links benefits the practice by simplifying payments, reducing admin, and promoting a paperless workflow. Once payment is completed, the practitioner is notified via an ERA, confirming the payment automatically. Please note, GoodX charges a small administration fee for each payment link that is processed. Once your practice has agreed to the payment link terms and conditions, GoodX will complete the setup for you. For details on enabling payment links, refer to the Entity Settings user manual linked in this video's description. Let's start by accessing payment requests from the Diary sidebar. After logging into the GoodX web app, the Diary screen will open. From here, you can send a payment request directly from a patient's booking. Click on the booking of the patient you want to send a payment request for. The Diary sidebar will open on the right-hand side. Click on the Send a Payment Request button. A message will appear confirming that the payment request has been sent. Click OK to acknowledge the message and close the pop-up. The patient will now receive an SMS or email with a secure link to make payment to your practice. Please note, this payment request only applies to the invoice linked to the selected booking. You can also send a payment request from the account details screen. To do this, click on the navigation wheel and select the Debtors section. In the search bar, start typing the debtor's ID, name, or medical aid number. Select your debtor and you will land on the account details screen showing an overview of the patient's account. On the sidebar, click on Send Payment Request. Again, click OK to confirm and close the pop-up. The patient will again receive a secure SMS or email link to complete their payment. For more information on how the account details screen works, refer to the Account Details Overview user manual linked in this video's description. Now, let's take a look at how the payment request message looks like. When a payment request is sent, the patient will receive a message similar to this. When the patient clicks the link, they'll be directed to the MyGC online payment page where they can complete their payment. For more information on completing payments through these links, refer to the Making a Payment with a Payment Request link user manual. And that's how easy it is to send and manage payment requests in the GoodX web app. With payment links, your practice can collect payments faster, reduce manual follow-ups, and keep everything digital. Simplify your workflow, stay paperless, and let GoodX handle the rest.